All right, so this is my final video on the experiment. So these are the peppers. So the one right here, this one is the 0% worm castings. And over here is the 10%. And over here is the 20. Now, I know you need different kind of angles and stuff like that. So here's kind of another angle. So what I could tell, again, very unscientific, but they all pretty much got the similar amount of light. I moved them around at times. From my angle here, and this is also not putting in any extra nutrients at all, which honestly, they're looking pretty sad for. So my this here, I would say, is definitely the smallest. They all had 3 in there. So you know, there's 1, there's 2, there's 3. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3. So I would say this one is definitely the smallest, and smaller leaves. So you know, there's this versus. Here, let's do that. So you know, quite a bit smaller. And this is, you know, gigantic. I really probably should have gotten a measuring tape or something, but yeah, here, let me try to put some of them, let me put it side by side. There you go. Look at, I don't know if you can see these two here. Let me try to get them kind of side by side. Quite a bit of a difference. I mean, that's super obvious difference. And if I put, you know, these two kind of side by side. Again, I can measure them and stuff, but frankly, it's not terribly scientific, so I don't really care to. But you can tell the 20% is significantly bigger. And then if I compare, let's keep going with the same idea here. All right, so if I compare the 0 to the 10%, kind of trying to uncurl its leaf a little bit, you can tell it's also significantly bigger than the 0. So then if I take the 10% out of the equation, we go right from the 0 to the 100. Yeah, not perfect, but if you put them right at the bottom, you connect them right at the bottom, so they're literally right there at the bottom touching. Like twice the size, you know, and that's not just one. Let's flip it around to this one here, and then let's flip this guy around to this one here. I mean, look at the difference. Pretty significant. Now, I will say that this one here is more green, so I would suggest probably just honestly has more nutrients in it. Because they're so much smaller, they probably haven't used up all the nitrogen and all the nutrients that are in here yet. Rather, these guys probably have. So again, when I'm going to repot them, they're going to go back into the same mix. But then next week I'm going to, or not next week, probably tomorrow, I'm going to put some nutrients in these guys. So then they're all going to perk up and stuff like that. But just from a straight, nothing but unchlorinated water. So again, unchlorinated water is the only thing that's been in here since day 1. You know, that's a pretty dramatic difference. So yeah, that's pretty much it. When I have more time and space, I'll definitely do more of these tests, and I'm going to do another video with the cucumbers and the other stuff. I have cilantro, and frankly, the lettuce was a fail. So I mean, out of 12 of them. No, 9. No, yeah, 12. Out of 12, only 2 actually germinated, so I don't care about those. So anyways, I'm going to have 2 more videos. One's going to be cilantro, one's going to be cucumber. Okay? Thanks. Bye.